So Jamaica's national under-17 Reggae boys are surprisingly just 1 point away from qualifying for the World Cup. Veteran youth coach Wendell Dowswell looking to participate in a third under-17 World Cup appearance, joining the 1999 and the 2011 successes. Of course, the young boys will have to go out and avoid defeat against regional bigwigs, Canada, in the last group game to complete the mission. But again though, the performance of this under-17 team shows that Jamaica tends to be much more consistently competitive at this level, even against bigger, much better resource teams across the region. But the further the age group ladder we go, the gap begins to widen. And the bigger and better resource teams like the USA, Canada, Mexico, Costa Rica, they begin to pull away from Jamaica. So whether we win, lose or draw this Canada game, we need to seriously examine that reality and fix it.